Welcome to the video training on WebEOC Calendar, Exercises and Training. As a basic user, from the main menu, select Calendar, Exercises and Training. Use the Filter drop-down to select the type of calendar item you are seeking. You may toggle between Show All Events, Show Upcoming Events, and Show Past Events. Click on the View Events to see a list of calendar items that may be sorted using the drop-down filter. To register for an event, click on the Click Here hyperlink that will take you to the Eventbrite registration listing. For additional information about the class, click on the Details button. You may also utilize the Click Here link from this location to go to the Eventbrite registration page. Subadmin users have the ability to enter calendar items into the board. Select Calendar, Exercise and Training, Edit. In the upper right-hand corner, select Add Record. Complete the entry form starting with the title of the calendar item. To select the date, click on the calendar icon to the right of the date and time. You must first change the time in a 24-hour format and then select the day to make and save your selection. In the Event Type drop-down, select the type of calendar item. Because this calendar is specific to exercises and trainings, select one of these two categories. The event calendar may be appropriate for other categories. Add the URL to link to the registration page. If you have an attachment, name it in the description field and use your browser to navigate to the file on your computer system. Include the event location and address. Because WebEOC requires logon credentials to access, listing class details will be restricted to those who have access to WebEOC. In the Point of Contact section, add the details for the contact and select Save.